Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how we can easily log out of OnlyFans application using your smartphones. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Start off by open your OnlyFans application from your app drawer. Once you open up the app, you will end up in the main homepage of OnlyFans. To log out or sign out of your application, go to the bottom right corner and click on your name, initial or profile picture. Now, click on the log out button appearing at the bottom of the screen and you will then be able to log out of OnlyFans account using the OnlyFans mobile application. If you ever want to get back logged in to your account, you will need to enter your credentials. So that's a quick wrap up for today's video. If the video was helpful to you, make sure you hit the like button, share and subscribe to our channel, and never miss out another upcoming update. I will soon be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.